Good morning students. Welcome back to Gokuldas Public School structure based online classes. Dear student, we have completed reading and explanation of chapter number 8. Today we will start book exercise. Hana? So take out your book, open page number 78. Book page number 78. First we will read flashback given in your book. Flashback. Pay attention at flashback. It is given in your book at page number 78. First point, the surrounding in which a plant or animal grows and lives is called as environment. What is environment? The surrounding in which plants or animal grows and lives is called its environment. Second, different animals have different breathing organs like gills, lungs, spiracles and through body surface. Different animals breathe through different organs like lungs, gills, body surface and through spiracles. Animals have different mechanisms for getting their food. They use proboscis. Proboscis means needle-like tube, teeth, beak and tongue, etc. Fourth point, animals have various kinds of limbs for procuring food, for movement and for self-defense. They are fins, limbs and wings. Last point, migration means mass movement by certain animals at certain times of the year. Okay, last point is migration. Migration means mass movement of animals, but mass movement by certain animal at the certain time of the year. Okay, we have read flashback. Okay, first term is environment. Environment means the surrounding in which plants or animal lives and grows is called its environment. Then second, different animal have different breathing organ like lungs, gills, spiracles, body surface like lungs, breathing organ lungs. Birds, mammals, reptiles breathe with the help of lungs. Then gills, fish breathe through gills. An adult frog breathe through moist skin in water and through lungs on land. Then spiracle, insects breathe through spiracle. They have tiny holes in their body surface and they breathe through with the help of spiracles. Then body surface, amoeba and Panamacia, they breathe with the help of body surface. Okay, now we will start our book exercise. Open your book. First is A. Tick, write the correct option. Okay. बेटा you have to do this exercise in your book only. आपको ये exercise सिर्फ book में करना है. No need to write down in your notebook. आपको copy में exercise नहीं लिखना है. Only you have to write new words and question answers. आपको सिर्फ copy में notebook में सिर्फ new word लिखना है और question answers लिखना है. First one, whales and dolphins are classified as Options are option A, reptiles, option B, mammals, option C, amphibians, option D, fish. So which is the correct answer? Whales and dolphins are classified as mammals. So you have to take on mammals. Okay, whales and dolphins are classified as mammal. Tick. Do it in your book. Whales and dolphins are classified as mammals. Okay. Then second one. This animal has scale on its body. Options are deer, option B, zebra, C, ostrich, option D, fish. Okay, read once again this question. Second, these animals has scale on its body. Options are deer, zebra, ostrich and fish. So which is the correct answer? Fish. Fish have scale on its body. Okay. I hope everyone has completed first one. Move on to next, third. Third one. Locusts are harmful migratory dash. Options are rodents, B. Option B is birds. Option C, fish. Option D, insects. So which is the correct answer? Locusts are harmful migratory dash. Options are rodents. Option B, birds. Option C, fish. Option D, insect. Which is the correct answer? Locusts are harmful migratory insect. Okay. Do it in your book. Then move on to next, fourth one. A tadpole. Breathe through its A. Lungs. Option B. Gills. Option C. Moist skin. Option D. Spiracles. Read once again. Fourth one, a tadpole breathes through its. Options are given: lungs, gills, moist skin, spiracle. So which is the correct answer? A tadpole breathes through its gills. Okay? Once again, pay attention. Second one, this animal has scale on its body. Options are deer, zebra, ostrich, fish. Fish is the correct answer. Okay, so tick on fish. Third one, locusts are harmful migratory dash. Options are rodents, bird, fish, insects. So locusts are harmful migratory insect. Option D is the correct answer. Fourth one, a tadpole breathes through its. Options are lungs, gills, moist skin, spiracles. A tadpole breathes through its gills. Option B is the correct answer. Okay? I hope everyone has completed up to 4. Then next, fifth one. Insects have dash legs. Options: option A 6, option B 5, option C 4, option D 10. Okay. Fifth one. Insects have how many legs? Insects have 6 legs. So option A is the correct answer. Tick on option A, 6. Insects have 6 legs. Then next, 6. Number 6. Which of these is a reptile? Options are lizard, option B crocodile, option C turtle, option D all of these. Which of these is a reptile? Question is, which of these is a reptile? Lizard, crocodile, turtle, all of these. So lizard, crocodile and turtle, three of them are reptiles. So all these three are reptiles. So answer is option D, all of these. ये तीनों ही reptile है, lizard, crocodile and turtle. So answer is all of these. Option D is the correct one. Last 7 number. Number 7, which of these is a migratory bird? Okay. Options are A, Arctic tern, option B, crow, option C, pigeon, option D, all of these. So which is the correct answer? As we have read Arctic tern, है ना? So Arctic tern is the correct answer. Which of these is a migratory bird? Arctic tern is a migratory bird. So option A is the correct answer. Do it. Once again, number 5. Insects have dash legs. Options are 6, 5, 4 and 10. Option A is the correct answer. Insects have 6 legs. 6 number 6. Which of these is a reptile? Lizard, crocodile, turtle, all of these. Option D is the correct answer. All of these. Number 7. Which of these is a migratory bird? Options are Arctic tern, crow, pigeon, all of these. So option A is the correct answer. Arctic tern. Now move on to next question. Fill in the blanks. Book page number 79. It is given at book page number 79. Question D. Fill in the blanks. Okay. Pay attention. Question number D. Fill in the blanks in your book, page number 79. First one. We see animals on land, comma, on tree, in water, and in air. Okay. First one, read. We see animals on land, on tree, in water and in air. Note down correct spelling. O-N on, T-R-E-E, tree, on tree. Okay. Then second blank, I-N in, W-A-T-E-R, water. Read once again. We see animals on land, on tree, in water and in air. Second one. All animals need dash to breathe. Okay. So what all animals need? All animal needs oxygen to breathe. Write correct spelling of oxygen. O-X-Y-G-E-N. Oxygen. All animal need oxygen to breathe. Note down correct spelling of oxygen. O-X-Y-G-E-N. Oxygen. Then third one. Birds, mammals and reptiles breathe with the help of dash. Once again, birds, mammals, reptiles breathe with the help of lungs. Write correct spelling of lungs. L-U-N-G-S. Okay. Fourth one. A fish breathes through its dash. A fish breathes through its gills. Okay. Then next, fifth one, rodents. Rodents like rabbits, mice and squirrel have small and sharp front teeth. Front teeth. Okay. Number 6. Butterflies suck nectar from flowers. Okay. So fill in the blanks. First one, we see animals on land, on tree, in water and in air. Second one, all animals need oxygen to breathe. Beta, write correct spelling of oxygen in your book. O-X-Y-G-E-N, oxygen. Third, birds, mammals and reptiles breathe with the help of lungs. What is the spelling of lungs? L-U-N-G-S. Fourth one, a fish breathes through its gills. G-I-L-L-S, gills. Fifth one, rodents. R-O-D-E-N-T-S, rodents. Once again I am repeating the spelling of rodents. R-O-D-E-N-T-S, rodents like rabbits, mice and squirrel have small and sharp front teeth. Okay. Last one, butterflies. Write correct spelling of butterflies. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-I-E-S. Once again, B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-I-E-S. Butterflies suck nectar from flowers. Okay. Then next, I hope everyone has completed this question. Last question. Open book page number 18. Question F, page number 80, question F. Fill in the names in the boxes. Okay. Rodents. So first one is rabbits. R-A-B-B-I-T-S, rabbits. You have to write examples, okay? Squirrel, S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L, squirrel. Here, mice, M-I-C-E, mice. Then, flightless birds. Flightless birds. Examples of rodents are rabbits, squirrel, mice. Write correct spelling of rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T-S, rabbits. Squirrels, S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L, M-I-C-E, mice. Then flightless bird. Emu. Okay. Then ostrich. Penguin. Okay. Flightless birds examples are emu, ostrich and penguin. E-M-U, emu, ostrich, O-S-T-R-I-C-H, ostrich. Then third one is penguin. reptiles. Lizard, Lizards, lizards. Turtle, crocodile. Okay. Write examples of reptiles. Lizards, lizards. Reptiles में second example है turtle, turtle, turtle. And last one crocodile, crocodile. Okay, do it. You have to do this exercise in book only. Okay, examples are given in your book only. You have to write. If you don't know spelling, check it in your book in chapter. Okay, then question E. Question number E. What is question number E given in your book? Write in the correct breathing organ columns the name of the animals given in the box. You have given so many names of breathing organ in that column, है ना? यहाँ पे आपको ये सारे ब्रीदिंग ऑर्गन्स, ये नेम्स दिए हैं एनिमल्स के. आपको ब्रीदिंग ऑर्गन कौन से एनिमल्स में कौन सा ब्रीदिंग ऑर्गन होता है, यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई. ओके, आई एम ओनली राइटिंग द नेम्स. लंग्स, गिल्स, ओके, spiracles, and last one body surface. Okay, so first one is man. Man breathes with the help of lungs, so you have to write M-A-N, man, in the column of lungs. Then second, well. Okay, then B-A-T, bat. In gill column you have to write tadpole. Tadpole. Tadpole breathes through its gills. Then fish. Fish also breathes with the help of gills. Then prawn. Okay. Here you have to write grasshopper. Butterfly. Amoeba and Paramecia breathe through its body surface. So write amoeba and Paramecium. They breathe snack. Elephant means all birds, mammals and reptiles breathe with the help of lungs. Fish, tadpole, they breathe with the help of gills. Insects breathe with the help of their spiracles. And microscopic animal, microbes breathe through its body surface. So amoeba and paramecium breathe through its body surface. Elephant. Okay, do it. This is question number E given in your book. I hope everyone has completed this question. If you have any doubt, please ask me on my personal number. Okay? Today we have completed book exercise. So you have to revise once again. आपको ये सारी एक्सरसाइज एक बार पूरे अच्छे से रीड करना है और लर्न भी करना है. Today your work is you have to revise book exercise. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.